Who exactly is the average crypto investor? Broadly speaking, it's anybody who can use a computer. That is basically everyone on Earth. But we know that's not the case. If you saw a bald white man with tattoos all over his body and who drives a large pickup truck, can you guess what political party he belongs to? If you saw a young woman with stocky features and short, spiky hair, could you guess her sexual orientation? We have biases, and whether they're exaggerated or not, there's some truth to these biases and assumptions. So what is the profile of the average crypto investor? At least the ones who care to comment on crypto subreddits and follow the latest trends with regularity. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Most, if not a clear majority, are young men. Most have little to no prior investing experience except picking up crypto during the pandemic. Many are Americans, but there are quite a few Europeans, Africans, and especially Indians. Many have stable jobs but are trapped in that lower middle class lifestyle. A good deal of them are even jobless. Pointing to the younger side, many have little to no formal education but are quite computer savvy. Most have a rather poor understanding of economics and how money works, except what they're told on social media. Surprisingly, or maybe not, many would identify as Republicans. Most haven't put any meaningful amount of money into crypto, but that amount is a lot to them. Many have enough time in their day to defend their favorite crypto online simply because they have money invested in it. Any hint of FUD on their favorite crypto is just an invitation for hateful comments. And even if it isn't hateful, these comments would try to be clever or sarcastic to hide that subtle anger and sadness of that realization. Most are accustomed to disappointment with their convictions to reply to crypto subreddit defending why their favorite crypto is failing. And sadly, many are probably frequent OnlyFans subscribers. Many are actually quite religious because they believe in some plan, either some giant conspiracy against them or some divine intervention for them. That's why they have this belief that crypto will end fiat and become the next world currency. And of course, many are just gambling and want to make a quick buck because they read that some guy made millions on some crypto before, and then justify that they'll hold if their crypto goes down and take time to comment on a subreddit that they have other crypto investments as if anyone else cares about that. This type of person is common with unsophisticated investors, people who get emotional at any mention of FUD. And if you fit this profile, it's alright. We all have to start our investing education somewhere, and for many, that just so happens to be when crypto has become so popular. So what are your thoughts? Do you consider yourself the average crypto investor? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.